Hey guys, I'm Priti and welcome to the Law of Attraction community where we talk about law of attraction, spirituality, and more about law of attraction manifestation technique. And later on, we will surely discussing about some of the manifestation success stories. This video I'm gonna tell you about Ho'oponopono technique, also popularly known as Hawaiian technique. No need to scared about the name of this technique. This technique is so very simple. So this technique comprises of 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, and I love you. These are the 4 phrases. These phrases were originated by a Hawaiian therapist who treated so many criminals mentally ill. They are, some of them were murderers, some of them were rapers. Those people are simply mentally ill. So at that time, the uh, the asylum was lacking some doctors and staffs. So in desperation to search the doctors, the asylum came in contact with a Hawaiian therapist, and when he reads the charges, not only he not only met face to face, but he only read the charges of the mentally ill people. So he determined to make them a perfect people and mentally stable people by this technique, by practicing this technique. So I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. What are the importance of these 4 phrases? What is the meaning of I'm sorry? I'm sorry means accepting what I am. If I have done wrong, if someone is or any circumstances is just against me, so I am accepting that circumstances or that person is because of me. Because everything starts within you. Everything starts within you and your thoughts. If you are sorry enough, you are accepting that situation or accepting that person, that you are sorry, and you are connecting yourself with the divine, with the universe, with the higher power, with God, or whatever you say. So I am sorry means you are accepting of who you are, and if you have done any mistake, that's why you are asking for sorry. You are asking for forgiveness from the universe because of the mistake that you have done unconsciously, maybe, that the person is or the circumstances is standing against you. Are you getting my point? So I'm sorry, please forgive me. The third phrase is thank you. Thank you means giving the gratitude that the circumstances has changed according to me. Just the way I want the circumstances to be, the circumstance made that. Are you getting my point? So thank you means feeling the gratitude from within, not telling the outer self only, but from within you're telling that thank you to the universe or to the higher power, whoever it is, whoever you believe in. So I love you. The next phrase is I love you. Telling the universe that you love the universe, telling the higher power that you love the higher power, is just like telling a child that you love that child. Okay, and the universe acts like an amazing way. This is an amazing technique. This technique has helped millions of people of healing themselves up. See, you cannot change the circumstance or you cannot change the person you are meeting with, right? So you can change only yourself. How? You can only change yourself if you accept who you really are, right? This is an amazing technique and this has helped me. So practice this technique And I hope this video has inspired you. And don't forget that the universe always acts magical and miraculous way. So if you practice this technique, definitely you will find the answer, definitely you will cure yourself, definitely you will heal yourself from within. So the universe will always tell you that your wish is my command. You heard the story of the magic lamp, right? The story of Aladdin and the magic lamp. What genie has always been told to Aladdin is that your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. That the universe is working in an amazing way. If you get to know how the universe works, you can achieve all your dreams and manifestations. Your manifestations can come true like this way, in a magical and amazing way. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so very much. Love you all.